What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a mid-fade on my boy, so stay tuned. We're starting off a little bit different today. Instead of using our balders, we're going to start off with our no guard all the way open. And we're going to make sure we go around the whole head, making sure everything's nice and even. We're then going to use our gold FX and make our bald line right underneath our no guard all the way open. Now that we're done balding them out, we could go ahead and attack that initial guideline with our lever all the way closed. Using our one guard all the way open, we're going to make our third guideline right above the no guard all the way open. Remember, we're going to use this same guard and its lever to soften up this line and get ready for the half guard. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show some extra support, go ahead and leave a follow down below on the Instagram or join the channel membership. Now we're going to move on to our fourth guideline using our two guard all the way open. We are near the occipital bone, so you want to make sure you flick out as much as possible and use your comb to feed the hair into the clipper when needed. Now that we're done with the two guard, we can move on to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. This is going to help us connect the two guard all the way open to the one guard all the way open. Now that we're done erasing the line with our 1.5 guard, we can move on to our 3 guard all the way open and use our comb to feed the hair into the clipper as much as possible. Now that we're done with our 3 guard all the way open, we can move on to our clipper oval comb method, and I'm going to use my horizontal cuts to blend. I wanted to debulk a little bit more, so I switched over to my foreguard all the way open and I started flicking out as much as possible. Before we move on to our next step, we're going to go ahead and use our Gold FX to line up the sides of the beard. When lining up the bottom of the beard, you always want to make sure you use your comb to pick out the beard as much as possible so you get the true length. Moving on to the back, we're going to use our no guard all the way open to erase our initial guideline. Using our one guard all the way open, we're going to soften up this line and get ready for the half guard. Using my 2 guard all the way open, I'm going to go ahead and soften up this line and get ready for my 1.5 guard. Sometimes there's still a faint line after using your 1.5 guard, so switching over to your 1 guard all the way open and using his corners will definitely help. Before I line him up with my Gold FX, I'm going to go ahead and use hairspray on his hairline so the hair doesn't shift. Now that the hairspray is nice and dry and the hair is nice and laid down, I'm going to go ahead and use my Goat FX, starting off at the middle and working my way to the sides. Appreciate it. Also, if you guys want to show some extra support, go ahead and leave a follow down below on the Instagram or join the channel membership down below. I'm going as slow as possible so that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer, because if not, then the hair is going to shift and you won't line them up properly. Moving on to the C-cups, I'm going to start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch using the corners of the blade. You also want to make sure you're nice and gentle so you don't press too hard, cutting them with the teeth of the trimmer.